Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on private profile in the Pinterest app. First you have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here, we just go into the profile menu. Then we tap on profile visibility, and here at the top we find the private profile. Here we can turn this on, and then only people we approve can see our profile, and our pins, our boards, followers, and following lists. Yeah, this is what a private profile does basically. And we can also turn this off, so anyone can find us on the app, whichever option we like. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.